Hello and welcome to this festive video. Before we go any further, I just wanted to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, so you can see build videos of the kits I'm talking about today, as well as other projects. You can even buy me a festive cup of coffee through a link below if you should wish. As we get into top gear for the holiday shopping season, I thought I'd share some gift ideas from the Airfix range for the budding, returning or existing model maker in your life. To be clear, these are entirely personal opinions, as Airfix hasn't got round to paying me or giving me free stuff just yet. There are other model companies and websites who don't give me anything either. Everything here can be ordered online, including from Airfix directly. Prices are those given on the Airfix site. Other online stores may be cheaper. Now, while there is a convenience to home delivery, why not also check out your local model and craft shops, give them some support, and maybe they'll have some great Black Friday deals. Anyway, on with the list, and in 5th place are the latest range of starter sets. Starter sets have been around for quite a long time, and are kits designed with the new modeler firmly in mind. Each plastic kit comes complete with glue, paints and paintbrush, and they cost around £11 each. These new starter sets have been designed from scratch to make them easier than ever to build. That said, they still have a decent level of detail. There are 2 new aircraft kits, the ever-popular Supermarine Spitfire and the Red Arrow's British Aerospace Hawk. Each kit comes with these new shadow stands as an alternative to using the undercarriage to sit on. The 2 new tank kits are the American Sherman Firefly and the German Tiger I from the Second World War. These kits are robust and easy to build, but have some good moulded detail that can be picked out with very little effort. And if one kit just isn't enough, you can buy these models in pairs. The Tiger and the Sherman have been combined into a gift pack under the Classic Conflict banner. Now you get slightly different kits, some more paint and different decals. This is available now, and the pack costs about £22. The Spitfire and the Hawk have been combined into another special boxing, this one called Best of British. Now, at the time I'm recording this is only available as a pre-order, and I'm not entirely sure if this will be available by Christmas. However, as the box is £22 and the planes in it are identical to the starter sets anyway, I'd suggest just buying the 2 kits. Now, in 4th place on my list is another classic Airfix idea, the Dogfight Double. These 2-in-1 kits have been around for decades. I remember making many of these as a boy, and I'm sure plenty of other modelers do as well. The strangest was probably the seemingly very one-sided combination of a supersonic MiG-21 and a very subsonic Cessna 02 from Vietnam. Anyway, in the current range you can get the classic combos such as the Spitfire and Bf-109 from the Battle of Britain, and there's a Mustang against an Me-262 over Germany. But there are a couple I really want to make. Close up on the anniversary of Pearl Harbor, the war in the Pacific is referenced with the Grumman Wildcat and the Mitsubishi Zero, while the jet age is brought to life with the MiG-17 Fresco and the Douglas A4 Skyhawk from the Vietnam War. Each of these boxes comes with glue, paints, paintbrush and a stand to hold both planes. Prices are from about £24 to £33. In 3rd place now, I'm going to suggest the new Concorde gift set. Although not now in service, Concorde was a thing of elegance and beauty and engineering genius. Even at a scale of 1/144th, the kit is substantial, about 43 centimetres or 17 inches long, and the box comes with glue, brushes and 6 pots of paint, although 3 of these pots are the same gloss white, needed to cover the whole thing. The colours in here are from a British Airways aircraft of 2003 known as Alpha Foxtrot, the last Concorde ever to fly. This is a rebox of a vintage 1977 kit, but it benefits from modern crisp decals made by Cartograph, and it's being released right now for about £33. In 2nd place I'm going to suggest the new de Havilland Vampire fighter kit. This is in the detail-rich 1/48th scale, so it's a bit more challenging, but would still suit most people who have made a kit before. The build quality is very good, and it's a joy to put together. There are 3 colour schemes supplied, all of which take advantage of the Vampire's good looks in silver. My own favourite is the Royal Canadian Air Force markings with the red panels and the cool vampire nose art. Now this kit was released about a month or so back. It's absolutely brand new and is in huge demand at a very reasonable price of just over £30. Which brings me to my personal Christmas number one, which can only be the 2021 release of the mighty Avro Vulcan in 1/72nd scale. This was probably the most eagerly awaited kit of the year, and quite rightly so. With its huge delta wing, the Vulcan was a unique and dominating sight in the skies. The kit can be completed as a conventional bomber with 21, yes that's 21 1,000-pound bombs, or in the standoff nuclear strike role of the 60s with the Blue Steel missile. This superbly engineered kit is probably on most aircraft modelers' wish lists, even if they've already made one. I know people who have bought 3 of them because they just couldn't make up their minds which colours to use. The Vulcan does look majestic in all-over white, but menacing in the low-level camouflage. You can make a dream come true for the modeller in your life for an impressive £65 and worth every single penny, I say. So there you go, my personal suggestions for gifts this year. In 5th place, the new starter sets designed for easy assembly and a great introduction to the hobby. In 4th place, the dogfight doubles, especially from the war in the Pacific and in Vietnam. In 3rd place, the unforgettable elegance of Concorde, recognising its last ever flight. In 2nd place, the brand new Vampire jet fighter, superbly detailed at 1/48 scale and beautifully engineered. And at the top, the awesome presence of the legendary Avro Vulcan bomber. But before I go, I wanted to include one extra kit, an honourable mention if you like, and that is the NHS Charities Together Hawk. This is a simple kit that can be made by anyone and comes in 2 colour schemes. One was designed by Airfix themselves, the other by Jeff Elliott, who won a competition that Airfix held last year. Both look fantastic with bright, rich coloured decals and suit the lines of the Hawk superbly. But the best thing is that Airfix give £2 from every purchase of the kit to NHS Together. A great way to say thanks to some great people. So that really is it. If you've enjoyed this, then please remember to subscribe to my channel. By Christmas Day I should have build videos of all these kits online, and there are plenty in the pipeline as well. However you choose to celebrate it, I wish you every joy of the holiday season, and I hope to see you again soon.